I'm here at the Draper House. This is the fourth time I'm visiting it. Today it's different. It's kind of like global pizza party. I'm not sure what it is, but let's see. Let's explore. So I'm here at the Draper House and this time. Would you guys like? So we are getting this so pretty. So I'm here. This is gonna be the first time maybe. So I just saw their status in Instagram and I came here. I'm very late, like I'm 1 hour late. Let's see. I'm excited to meet other minds, talented minds, like different. Obviously, this is a startup meeting, so I hope I'll get some people to come on my event. This is gonna be on Saturday. Oh. It's kind of like free pizza. I hope I'm gonna meet the good people also, like who can support the overthinking community. This I'm building a overthinking community and it's even gonna be happen soon, and so that I got only 3 registration till now. I want to have more people, so I'm gonna like tell people that I'm gonna do it. Let's see if I get so. I forget the time is. So beautiful, Rita. So already started, yeah. I didn't know, today is a pizza that they are celebrating because a guy, he brought a pizza with a Bitcoin. That was the first transaction that happened with Bitcoin, and that's what they're celebrating, the pizza day.
How many of you know why we are celebrating a pizza day today? Why a pizza? Guess what is the value of Bitcoin today? Any guesses, guys? How much? Rough figure. In Indian rupees. Rough figure. And because my Coinbase was out, that's why I was asking. Okay, so
things like hackathons. So there are a couple of other communities. We are bringing all these kind of communities together. You can spotlight and join very valuable spaces. And we actually unofficially launched a just the next you all can we just go and you can launch.
Yeah, there's so. It's turned out that I'm not late. It just started. Thank God. It is all about the Bitcoin. The people who's owning the Bitcoin and the value of the Bitcoin. Like I don't own any Bitcoin. Let's see. It's gonna be. I'm not sure. The crypto. Do you own a crypto? Do you own a crypto?
last time I'm using a crypto. अभी नहीं है, last time sold out. Actually, it is a very nice experience about the cryptocurrency.
And we are getting a free pizza also.
We are getting a free pizza.
Cheers.
Cheers. Non-veg.
But I don't own a crypto. I didn't know. Like I just saw their status on Instagram.
Yeah.
I came.
Yeah.
And I think it's interesting, like crypto. And they're giving a free NFT also. Good.
Yeah.
Let's tell you. Post करें क्या कुछ?
Post कर रहे हैं.
I'll pause you if you're clicking. I'll pause. Okay, you're taking a candid pose. It's very bad. Don't get. I'll just.
कितना पोस्ट लगी? एक क्लिक किया ना, और कितने चाहिए तेरे को?
Thank you. Yeah, so I have an office today और मैं ऑफिस छोड़ के आई हूँ मैं, मतलब इसको अटेंड करने के लिए.
ऑफिस छोड़ दिया तूने?
बोल रही हूँ कि द चिकन पिज़्ज़ा इज़ गुड यार. मुझे ऐसा लगता है सम ऑफ द लाइक नहीं यार ऐसे नहीं है, फ्री पिज़्ज़ा सिर्फ खाने आए हैं.
फिर क्या?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. आई केम हियर टू नो मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन. आई विल कनेक्ट विद द पीपल आफ्टर ईटिंग द पिज़्ज़ा.
You are coming for the pizza, not you.
No, it's not true. But the chicken pizza is so good.
लोगों को चिढ़ा के खा रहे थे, टीजिंग करके खा रहे थे pizza. फिर
My motive here to come है. I don't. This event is same
your
like.
motive come to the gain the knowledge about the crypto and other things, and networking.
I didn't know that it is about the crypto also because मुझे लगा it is same like Ichai where I can pitch my idea.
I don't know the event is today. मैं ऐसे ही आया था एक्चुअली. वो चटनी रहेगा, शेंगा चटनी रहेगा. मैं ऐसा ही है रिसेंटली. जस्ट आई केम डायरेक्टली.
No, I thought it's gonna be the same like each I meetup जहाँ पे मैं आती हूँ and I can pitch my idea, but it is something else. Yeah.
Each का 20.
Thank you.
But pizza slice and the second mojito.
So what I'm gonna do networking after the eating maybe. I'm not talking to any of the people through the connection. Because this is my hobbies. I'm gonna have one more slice. Wow. That is not good, yaar. No. You can say it's okay. I'm not letting them having the pizza part. So I met these two people. I saw, they have the crypto. They are still owning the crypto. Would you like to say something about today's event?
It was really great. We got loads of people to connect with. Like, they were great people.
You guys are friends?
Yeah, that's right.
How do you get to know about this event?
Got to know it through our
Online
I was
Instagram.
scrolling to Instagram, so I got to know it was through Instagram.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool. Would you like to say something more or that's all?
I don't have anything else to say.
Okay. Got to know today is a pizza day. That's why they are sponsoring free pizza. So I am not sure. So these people have some more idea about the today's event that they wanna say. Say hi guys.
Hello.
So say something.
So this is the National Pizza Day. It's celebrated because it's the first time someone has ever bought something with cryptocurrency.
No. Yeah, I really like the story. Like one person have brought the pizza with a Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
That is an interesting story.
He bought 2 pizzas using 10,000 Bitcoins. And 10,000 Bitcoins today is like...
What is Bitcoin then? Bitcoin matlab?
Bitcoin is nothing like it's like a digital currency.
Yeah, what is it? Like somebody have brought a pizza with a digital currency.
Yep.
That is so amazing.
I mean, basically,
I didn't know that.
2010 it was not really valued much, not really a currency. But then now the prices are skyrocketing.
Oh my god, price बताओ ना. Like एक बिटकॉइन का प्राइस अभी कितना हो गया? 15 लाख.
10,000 Bitcoin का प्राइस है 58.
58 लाख. उतना मेरे बैंक में भी बैलेंस नहीं है.
10,000.
Okay, they also confused. They're gonna Google it. How much is the cost of the Bitcoin?
Check.
So I got to know one story here is like why the today like this day is celebrating because there is a guy जिसके पास कितना Bitcoin था?
10,000.
10,000 Bitcoin था और उसने उस 10,000 Bitcoin का 2 पिज़्ज़ा खरीदा. लेकिन उसका मिस्टेक ये हुआ कि अभी Bitcoin का प्राइस लाइक जो मार्केट वैल्यू है
1 Bitcoin 58 lakhs.
58 lakhs. तो उसने
That's 1000 Bitcoin.
10,000. So 6,000 crores.
6,000 करोड़ कमा रहा होता वो बंदा अगर वो
पिज़्ज़ा के लिए।
अगर वो
दो
पिज़्ज़ा नहीं
पिज़्ज़ा।
खरीदा होता अगर उसने पिज़्ज़ा नहीं खरीदा होता 6,000 करोड़ अभी उसके हाथ में होता.
हाँ.
But he's regretting till now.
For his daughter.
So
He
I
was celebrating his mistake.
yeah, but the
we are
moral
here
no
to
but the
celebrate
moral
those.
of the story है मतलब people should have patience. है ना? अभी तक वो बचा
Moral
के
of the story.
या मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी अभी बिटकॉइन बचा के रखा होता तो उसको 600 करोड़ अभी
But also
अंबानी मिलियनेयर होता वो. ओके दैट पिज़्ज़ा वंस ओके मेरे को अभी और स्टोरी पता चल रही है. तो पिज़्ज़ा जो गाय था उसने जो पिज़्ज़ा खरीदा दैट वाज द फर्स्ट ट्रांजैक्शन ऑफ द बिटकॉइन. लाइक किसी ने कुछ खरीदा था बिटकॉइन देके तो उसका मिस्टेक नहीं हुआ. लाइक ही लाइक
regret तो बना. He is regretting it till date.
हाँ रिग्रेट तो किया बट उसकी वजह से दिस वॉल हैज गॉट टू नो दैट वी कैन
हाँ.
डू ट्रांजैक्शन विद द बिटकॉइन. अभी कर रहे हैं क्या बिटकॉइन से ट्रांजैक्शन?
अभी भी कर रहे हैं.
Now the crores of money is going to be exchanged with the Bitcoin, right?
मेरे को नहीं पता बिकॉज मेरे पास नहीं है बिटकॉइन.
And there are many types of Bitcoins.
Cryptocurrency, Ethereum. There is this thing which was promoted by Elon Musk. It was called Dogecoin.
हाँ वो तो ट्विटर में भी आया था.
Dogecoin.
और मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. So we have a picture now.
Guys, feel free to shout in this video, alright?
Okay, then you can come here. So he's the host. So he gonna tell about today's event.
So guys, today we were celebrating Global Pizza Day at Hyderabad, and thanks for coming, Rita. And all the viewers, a very happy Pizza Day. Thank you so much for watching, Rita. And freedom to the Bitcoin layer.
Yeah, so can you tell me a little more about this event, like why people should join, and like you said there are so many communities are.
Yes, actually the reason for joining these communities is basically where you can learn, connect and grow together. See, growing in knowledge is a thing, and then growing in network is another thing. So what communities do is like you can connect with like-minded people, grow in knowledge and also grow in your network. So that is
communities.
Exactly. So
They really do IT only.
not just IT. So Hyderabad DAO is something which is based on complete Web3, and I run a community called as TensorFlow User Group, which is completely based on AI. So there are a lot of communities based on their own tastes. So you guys can find which is the best one for you, and connect, learn and grow.
Where we can find it, like Instagram or WhatsApp group.
Mostly it's on Twitter, LinkedIn and Meetup.
Sure. Cool, I'll check it out.
Cool.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And Aditya here.
Hello folks, I'm Aditya. We are at Draper Startup House today evening.
Yeah. We got a free
And this
pizza
is a
also.
global pizza party event focusing on crypto, celebrating the 10 years where 10,000
Okay, 10
bitcoins.
years.
Where
Cool.
10,000 bitcoins were exchanged for a single pizza, but today we can buy a 3 BHK flat
Yeah.
in Bombay. No, 2 BHK. So I just wanted to say this is a great event, and how I got to know about it this. I follow EvolveX. There we have Karthikana over there. If you can zoom it over there.
Oh yeah. I think I should talk to him. I should talk to him.
And so that is how I got to know. I saw it in the EvolveX story, and happy to be part of DSH, happy to be part of EvolveX, and happy to be part of your blog. Wishing you good luck ahead.
Thank you. You're such a good speaker, actually. So energetic. Thank you. Thank you. Prem, yeah. So I met a Prem who is you can tell
Hi,
about the Draper House. Yeah.
I'm here at Draper working as a digital marketing team,
Yeah.
and I'll be doing this stuff, reels posting, and
Like all the social media of the Draper House.
handling the social platforms of Draper,
Okay.
and organizing these events.
So how many events happens in the Draper House usually? And
Usually, every weekend we'll be busy with events.
oh really?
Really.
Okay.
Every Saturday and Sunday we'll be having events.
Oh,
If by any chance we'll be busy the whole week also.
okay.
It's a very good platform who is trying to
Build their
grow
community,
their
right?
network or community.
Okay. I have one question. Like, would you guys charge for the place? How much do you charge?
It will be based on the event. I think so there will be no charge for this.
Okay, so anyone can come. Okay, you're not.
I'm not sure, but for the fifth floor place, it's
Do you know, like, is it okay to tell the price? Like,
I
what is
don't
starting
know the price.
Okay, that's okay then. So I just met him and I connected with him, and because I want the photos and videos. He's the one who's handling all the social media of Draper House. So whatever the event is happening, he's handling it. Thank you, Prem. Thanks. Yeah, you can also come on camera. No? Okay. So I met a Zerome. The name is also unique. So he just launched his product. He's gonna build a startup, I guess, right? So can
Yes,
you please tell about your thing, like the startup, what it is, how it's gonna help people?
Yeah. Hey guys, I'm Karthik, aka Zero, aka Karthik. You can call me anyway.
Alright.
So I'm actually building EvolveX. It's a platform if you want to discover a community, if you want to explore people, that's a platform for you. And if you're also starting any company, if you're looking for talent, it's a platform for you as well. So we actually bring all the communities under one platform,
Okay.
where they can discoverability and where one can spotlight good communities across India, across globally. So that is EvolveX. Today we actually launched one of our vertical wing, that is Web3. If there are
Okay.
any Web3 nerds, they can join. Only Web3 guys only join that space. So that's what we are building.
Only?
And today
Okay.
we just launched.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, I'm very happy meeting one pretty soul today.
Thank you. Thank you for your
Yes.
time.
And do subscribe, do like, do
Oh my
everything.
God.
You know, like, because
Somebody
she's
is
actually
saying
working
without
a lot.
telling me.
And if you are an overthinker also, do reach
Yeah,
out to her
yeah.
and you'll get your solution. There is no perfect, what we say that, right solution or what we say that, permanent solution, but there are solutions which can reduce your overthinking.
Wow,
she's
thank
the right
you.
person.
Thank
Reach
you.
out to her.
Somebody is so much saying about me. Thank you. You should also join actually.
Yeah, definitely.
So we finished हो गया event. So I'm going. It's a great event, yaar. But I thought it's gonna be about the pitching your startup ideas, but it was a little bit different.